you all, daily update yourself channel. So our objective is learn something new. So now let's begin today topic. Hello all. Today topic is about problems on ages. This topic of this topic of examination used during placement, MBA and all other competitive entrance exam. Every examination we expect more than 2 questions from this topic, and it is very easy to score marks if you practice well. So the number of questions you are going to attend today is 10, and the time for each question is 30 seconds. After each and every question, the answer will be displayed on the screen with the workings. Now let's start your quiz. So the first question is, the sum of the age of a doctor and her mother is 56 years. After 4 years, the age of the mother will be 3 times that of the doctor, and the present age of their ages are. Answer is 12 and 44. Please view the answer if you not get the answer. Second question is, 18 years ago, a man was 3 times as old as his son. Now the man is twice as old as his son. The sum of the present ages of the man and his son is. The answer is 108. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The third question is, Tanya's grandfather was 8 times older to her 16 years ago. He would be trained 3 times of her ages 8 years from now. 8 years ago, what was the ratio of Tanya's age to that of her grandfather? The answer is none. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The fourth question is, 6 years ago, the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6 is to 5. 4 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 10. What is Sagar age at present? The answer is 16. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. Fifth question. The age of a man 10 years ago was twice the age of his son. 10 years hence, the man age will be twice the age of his son. The ratio of their present ages is. The answer is 7 is to 3. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The sixth question is the age of a mother today is twice that of her daughter. After 12 years, the age of the mother will be twice that of her daughter. The present age of the daughter is. The answer is 12. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The seventh question is a man present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be one half of the age of his mother. How old is the mother at present? The answer is 40. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The eighth question is the age of Nisi and Winnie are in the ratio 6 is to 5 respectively. After 9 years, the ratio of their ages will be 9 is to 8. What is the difference in their ages now? The answer is 3. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The ninth question is 10 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. 2 years hence, twice his age will be equal to 5 times the age of his son. What is present age of the son? The answer is 14. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. The last question is in 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. If A is now 9 years older than B, The present age of B is the answer is 39. Please view the explanation if you not get the answer. I hope the test and the time was sufficient for workout. If you are not able to get the answer within the time, please practice daily on this topic. You will crack easily. And please visit quantitative related quiz in my YouTube channel. And also I was given in this video description also. Thank you. If you like my video, please press like button and share this video to your friends and relatives. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if for your future update, don't forget to hit bell icon button.